Alright guys, I already have everything hooked up. I know I skipped a lot, but I've just been too busy. I just want to get it done. Transfer case in, skid plates, exhaust. It's all done. I have some leaky coolant lines and everything. I got like, let's see, 3 of these were for the transfer case and the rest went into that transmission, and one of them was like quarter full, so I should have enough to give it a little test fire, and well, I probably won't be able to do it anyway. The battery's probably dead, but I'll have it recording anyway. Fire it up on the stands. There it is. Need new hinges. Let's see. Wow. There's dead. Oh well. It cranks. I go. Guy's ass. I tried scraping it all off of it, but it didn't work. Nothing's leaking though, holy shit. There's that low idle. Yeah, that's that exhaust shit burning up from what was previously leaking, it looks like. I don't see any streams yet, at least. Alright. See what the transmission likes. Oh, this thing sounds nice when it's opened up. I know it's got to be at normal operating temperature, but I know there's going to be some leaks somewhere. It's just I haven't shown up yet. I just wanted to... There's a shift. There's another shift. Parking brake's on. Now let's see if it's leaking, which I know it is. Yeah. Some bitch. That's that fucking line. I'm gonna have to like chew it up and redo it, I guess. Motherfucker. Let me check the fluid real fast too. Yeah. That's my E-test. Yeah, nothing on a dipstick yet, so still needs a shitload more fluid. Is it 8? Is it 10? Is it 20? Is it 120? I don't know, 7.5, 8, 10. I cannot find the fluid amount, but it's dry. Yeah, there's nothing on there. Except at the very bottom, that's what it looks like at least. So, shut her down. Before I burn up my new transmission. That's kind of why it took a little bit to get in gear. And that leak is a problem. I just probably put something here to catch whatever is coming out, because it's in fluid. Can't win. Stupid transmission lines. Problematic. Yeah. Yeah, well. Looks like it's just mainly there anyway. Well, we heard it run anyway. It's good enough for me. Also fucked up on my terminal, cracked it, oops. Oh well. That was the old start for you. Not really cold, but old. And your radiator. You can do everything. Oh well. Alright, I'm gonna take a rest for a second.